It's an honor for me to serve as the founding dean of this medical school in a community that is so committed to the shared goal of improving the health of the citizens of our region. Kalamazoo is fortunate to have magnanimous and generous, forward-thinking community leaders who are committed to the future success of this entire region and this community. Since 2007, hundreds of individuals from the medical school and across the community of Southwest Michigan have been involved in bringing the dream of a new medical school to life. Many of you are here with us today. I thank all of you for your support in making all of this possible, because we need the community support and your commitment to help bring this dream to life and the potential that we have to help improve the quality of life and the health of the citizens in our communities. This cannot happen without you.
Today is a celebration of our students as the inaugural class of medical students prepare for commencement tomorrow. Today is also a celebration of you, our community and donors, for making the dream of a new medical school come to life.
And so today, on behalf of all WMed students, I wanted to say thank you, the WMed community, for helping to make this medical school our home. Every day, we are touched by your generosity. As patients and families, you welcome us into your lives so that we can learn best how to heal and take care of you. As our instructors, guest lecturers, and faculty, you share your knowledge and expertise with us in the classroom and at the bedside. As the leaders of local nonprofit community agencies, you enable us to learn from you and those that you serve, and provide us the opportunity to give back to our community through our active citizenship projects. As local business owners, you welcome us to Kalamazoo, are interested in our lives, and support us with your goods and services. And as donors, your support has made WMed possible today and for the long term. Thank you truly does not seem like a big enough sentiment for all that you have done for us. Nevertheless, thank you for making Kalamazoo a family and for making this medical school our home.
The opening of the medical school in 2014 is a testament to the vision and the dedication and the commitment of our community. It's a challenging opportunity to create a new medical school, but the odds of being successful and doing it well are significantly increased when the community is a partner alongside. As a private medical school, your continued support, your time, your effort, your talent, and your financial support is key to our long-term sustainability. It's because of the dedication and tireless effort of our students, our faculty, residents, fellows, staff, and donors, along with the community support that we've had, that together we make continued progress on our journey to excellence. We share our achievements, and our celebration today is a shared celebration with the community, as our success is a community success.